Hi guys. So today it was a pretty hard day. So this is day one. So this is pretty much what we've done today. And so we did this, and now we're going up here, and over here is going to be our main lodge area.
That is what we're gonna work on tomorrow. We're gonna clear it out.
And then in the next video we are going to do the building of it. So we had to clear this tire out, and it's filled with ice and water, and we got all this cleared out. Looks really nice. And as you see, this bridge over here fell down, and it was really hard to get back up, but we did it. And so now we're walking around. This is pretty much our mountain biking trail. We cleaned all that out, and now we did this trail too. And so that's pretty much.
And tomorrow, the trail was too muddy over there because it was hard to rake, and it rained yesterday, so it's hard.
We're gonna let it have some air, and then
we're gonna finish it up tomorrow, and the trail should be raked.
Okay, so it's getting dark. We will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys. this is day 2 of our excavation in the woods. So we did this trail that was muddy. We did it over once again, and now it's looking pretty good. So today what we did, we cleared out the area for the lodge over here. That was really hard, and you could see over there that thing fell on me. And yeah, so as we keep going, here is our bridge that we found, and we're gonna make a little like a little cabin area tomorrow over here, next video over here. And we have all this land, and that'll be nice. So we're gonna have little cabins up right here. Okay, so I'll see you next time. Bye. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please go subscribe this channel and like, and go to James's channel,
JCap17.
Thanks for watching. Bye.